Hey everyone, I have an issue with my SD cards not staying in the device when you push them in. They no longer click and stay in. They just keep popping right back out, and the device will never detect the SD card that way. So it's basically a slot like this. You open up the door, reveals that, and I try and insert the card. It wants to click, but it just won't, and it keeps popping out. I've done it with that card, with this card. It just won't stay in. So I found what the issue is. You have these two SD cards. Right here, they look just fine. I can't see any issues, but then flip that one over, flip that one over. It's real hard to tell, but on the card on the left here, a little chunk is gone right up top here. That little chunk is gone. See here, it's there. And that is actually jammed down in here. See if I can get a good angle to show you. There we go. It's this little black bit at the very bottom to the right. Or sorry, very bottom to the left. To the right, it's all clear. You can see all the metal. And to the left, there's just this dark spot right there. Now, that's a piece of that plastic, and that is the issue. So I'm going to use some of these tools. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get that out without ruining any of those copper pins down there. We'll give it a try and see what happens. Okay, I worked it a bit. It's now over to the right side. Just a reminder, please take out your battery before you try to do this, just for safety and so you don't destroy the device. I'll work it a little bit more, just being careful of not damaging those pins. Okay, I got the piece of plastic out using that little tool, just being very, very careful not to damage the pins. They're real easy to damage. Be very careful. Real quick thing to note here. This card isn't that old, but it is one of the, I guess, biodegradable plastics. And it obviously broke way earlier than any of my SD cards have broken. I've never had that issue. You can see the labels even really worn. Just to FYI, I try and help out, do what I can for the environment, but I cannot recommend those biodegradable plastics for SD cards. Just be real careful. Take your battery out. Try not to damage it. Take your time. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and take care.